Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about how to reduce your debts. Before I get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try to personally reply to your comments. Let's get into the video. Generally, it is sound financial advice for you to get out of debt. But that may be easier said than done, especially if the debt is sizable compared to your ability to repay. When locked into a long cycle of debt repayment, the drudgery can become a significant burden. The payoff of a particular balance can seem far into the future, and you will have to maintain your discipline to eventually get out from under the burden. The following are some tips and strategies that may help you reach your goal sooner. First thing you can do is considering a major purchase. One way to reduce your debt is to save in advance for planned purchases and eliminate altogether the need to borrow and pay the finance charges. You can use a saving goal calculator to determine what it will take to reach your desired saving goal. Another thing you can do is plan your debt retirement. Being able to see the light at the end of the tunnel makes the sacrifices needed to clear up your debt easier to live with. That's why you should have a plan in place to retire your debts. Another thing to do is establish an emergency fund. Unless you are very lucky, over a long period of time, you will incur unexpected expenditures. Typically, when that happens and you have no cash available, the emergency expenditure ends up on your charge card and the cycle of new charges and repayments continue. A better solution is to allocate some contingency dollars to an emergency saving account while paying back your credit cards as quickly as you can. This allows you to divert more to paying off existing debts when the emergency fund becomes large and significant to cover unexpected expenditures. Your goal should be to avoid any new charges while watching your balances decrease at a planned rate. So those are some tips you can use to reduce your debts. Thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.